In this video, you'll learn how to build and customize a table of contents using Canva templates. To begin, open the Templates menu and use the search bar to look for templates by entering keywords that match your document style. Next, choose a business template, then select a Table of Contents option to access a ready-made layout for your project. Now, customize the template by selecting it. Then, pick the Introduction section and edit its content to fit your needs. After that, select the Literature Review section and update the text just like before. Once you're done editing here now, open a new tab and type Color Palette into the search bar. After searching, you'll see a variety of color palette images. Select the one you like, then copy the image. If needed, add new items or navigate to sections like Methodology to further organize your document. You can choose custom colors and apply them across your table of contents for a consistent look. You can also click the Apply Color option to choose and apply different colors. Remove unwanted elements. Finally, your table of contents is complete. Now, if you'd like, you can download it. You've now learned how to set up and edit a table of contents in Canva.